Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Uvuyekazi Mncweni. Guys, yabona makuthiwa uzishawara nje ngothando. Uqala ukuzithanda, uqala ukungancengi for uthando. It's Vuyekazi Mncweni. The way she's working on herself for her and her children. I love it so much for her. Like mangimbheka I ngihlale ngisho ngithi uMpumelelo fumbled here. It's like umusa fumbled kumayeni. Umayeni truly loves umusa. Excuse me. Same as Uvuyekazi, she truly loved Umpumelelo. And now look at her working on herself, darling. Mind you, umayeni once told her once, Sisi, work on yourself. And then she tried moving on. But it seems like it was not her time. Healing her inner self. And now she's healing herself for her children. And alright, guys, look at how beautiful she is. Hayi cha, uMpumelelo shukuthi akazazi izinto ezinhle. Hayi cha, futhi le ndaba ingumpumelelo ingokuthi uVuyekazi use-happy, guys. Use-happy and I love this for her. And some people are speculating ukuthi it might be ugirl ukuthi move on and she's now hiding a relationship yakhe from the public or something like that. She thinks mhlambe bayamuser and stuff. And for me, I think uqala ukuzithanda. Yes guys, sometimes kuyomele like uzithande uzibeke kuqala. You will see ukuthi you're very beautiful to settle for less. Very beautiful, very mindful, very demure. Guys, uhlakaniphile uVuyekazi, muhle and uzozinakekela abantwana bakhe bakhule nomama healthy, ongekho broken, ozihilile, who took time to heal. Today she's celebrating a Valentine's Day alone and she wished herself a very beautiful Valentine's Day. Washo ukuthi ngifuna uku-enjoya this day. Just because no one did me a Valentine's Day, wangipha ama-gift and all, doesn't mean umhlaba wami uyama. And she went out to a 31st Street and look how beautiful she was. Oh guys, I love this for Uvuyekazi. And I hope everyone like is happy for Uvuyekazi. She's finally free. Asingisho kanjalo nje, she's free, she's lovely, she's beautiful, she's glowing. Uzinakekela abantwana bakhe, unemoto, she's going on trips, she's vlogging, YouTube yakhe yaphakama, like everything is working well. And we wish you all the best, sis Vuyekazi. On this journey oyithathayo, we see the results, we see the results, and we are loving the results. Let's just hope ke kusawufihlanga iniganika lapho. Let's just hope you can be this glowing girl. But okay, we love this for you. Thank you for watching, guys. What are your thoughts on this?